अस्सलाम वालेकुम दोस्तों। तो हम एक और वीडियो के लिए आपके लिए लाए हैं क्योंकि हमारा साल लीगल बेसिक फॉर डेटा प्रोसेसिंग इन फ्यूचर आर्की गेम वी प्रोसेस personal data for the purposes set out in this privacy policy as described above. Our legal basics to process personal data include processing that is necessary for the performance of the contract with you, for example, to provide you with the services you request and to identify and authenticate you, so you may use the sites necessary to comply with legal requirements, for example, to comply with applicable accounting rules and to make mandatory disclosures to law enforcement necessary for our legitimate interests, for example, and manage our relationship with you to ensure the security of our services, to communicate with you about your product and services, and based on consent by our customer, for example, place certain cookies, and to share your information with third parties for advertising purposes. In some instances, you may be required to provide us with personal data for processing and described above in order for us to be able to provide you all of our services and for you to use all the feature of our sites. Okay, international transfer for personal data. International transfer of personal data. Our business may require us to transfer your personal data to countries outside of the European Economic Area (EEA), including to countries such as the People's Republic of China or Singapore. We take appropriate steps to ensure that recipients of your personal data are bound to duties of confidentiality. ये क्या है, इतना मुश्किल लफ्ज़ है। confidentiality, and we implement measures such as a standard contractual clauses. A copy of these clauses can be obtained by contacting our help center. And next, your rights. Subject to limitation and applicable laws, you are entitled to object to a request restriction of processing of your personal data and to request access to notification, erasure, and portability of your own personal data. Okay, where the use of your personal information is based on consent. You can withdraw this consent at any time without affecting the lawfulness of processing based on consent before as withdrawal request should be submitted by contacting us through this email kunkunhappyday@gmail.com. Okay, you understand? If you are aware of changes or incorrect information, you should inform us of such change so that our record may be updated or corrected. You may lodge a complaint with a supervisory authority if you consider that processing of your personal data infringes applicable law. We retain your personal data as long as needed to provide services or products to you or as required or permitted by applicable laws such as tax and accounting law. And wassalam.